Okay, because a lot of people don't understand. I've actually said this multiple times in some of my new videos. Digits is one of the most easiest, quickest options you can trade on Deriv, and also is the most easiest where you can easily or quickly lose money. Okay. Uh, Now let me show you what I'm trading. I'm actually trading for the prediction is not going to be 6. So I think I started this trade actually with $1. No, in fact, I had $1.77. So I started with 77 cents. So when I grew it up to $1.07, I now left it. So that's what I've been trading with. So I want to probably show you. I'm waiting for signal actually. Okay, I'm waiting for signal. I'm waiting for the thing to go down. So I'm waiting for sequence. Okay, the number to follow themselves in a particular order and also the direction. So I'm going to be making maybe 2 trades. So I'm going to, I cannot be talking. I'll be doing the trade when it comes to this guy because it can move very fast. Okay, it moves very, very fast. Like it is now, it's already moving. So let's just say if I'm able to talk, I just entered one. Okay, okay, that's one trade. Okay, I don't want to talk and forget myself. All right, so I'll wait for it again to go down. Okay, it's already pulling back up. I'm not looking at up movement. I'm only taking down movement. Okay, uh, both movement works, but just for the purpose of direction, I just want to focus on one. So I'm going to pause. When it comes down again, we'll take another one. You can see how fast the trade is. Doing trade on digits like differ, you spend only 2 seconds. Under 2 seconds, you get your results, and under that 2 seconds, you can also lose the money. So don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose or risk. Okay, minimize your risk. Try to grow, make profits, then trade with profit. That way you'll be. Let me wait for the direct. Okay, so I'm waiting for an entry right now. The whole thing is okay. I just made an entry now. Okay, can you see I've done 2 trades, right? I intended to show you 2 trades. It's not magic, and it's not that I'm guessing. I'm actually trading with Signal. Now, you may not know, I'm also looking at this guy. Okay, I'm looking at the last digit. In digits, we work with last digit, this last number. That is 309 now. That's what we work with. And also, there are also information on the website. Okay, let me do it like this so that you get to see how digits work. The chart is not loaded. Okay, we get to use some of all these informations. Okay, to get to know which one I can get to trade, which numbers I can get. So there are so many different ways one can trade digits. Okay, so many ways to trade digits. So many patterns, so many sequence, so many strategy. But I like to stick to the one that works. If I have tested one and it's working, maybe I have 4 or 5 that are working, I'll just stick to them till they stop working. Okay, till they stop working. So if one stop working, I'll switch to another one. So that's why I'm not particular about one set of or one kind of. Okay, maybe if I get to see another, if it goes below 3,000 now, I may do one more trade and show you. Okay, if it goes below 3,000, so that I can see it very well, I need to zoom in. Okay, okay. If this guy goes below it's already below 3,000. So let me see if I can do one more trade so that you understand. Under 5 minutes or whatever, I've already done all 3 trades. Okay, 3 trades. I'm not guess trading. I'm not guessing. Okay, I'm not guessing. You see, what I'm trading from what I'm trading. Okay, so that you understand that I'm not guessing and I'm not trying to guess. Okay, I'm not trying to guess. I'm going to try and show you something. Okay, can you see from my system? All this slide just here now. Can you see it here? All the trades, 10 trades. Can you see any loss? There are periods you can do the trade, no loss. Okay, and there are periods that will be for that 1 hour, there has not been any loss. Okay, are you getting it? So I am not guessing. This is not a guess trade. This is digit. Very fast, very quick to make money, but if you overtrade, you overdo it, you overflog it, then all the money you've made will disappear. So that's why you need discipline, you need focus, you need plan to trade with digits. It's not just straightforward. You need plan so that whatever profit you made, you can retain. Okay, so God bless you. I'll see you another video.